There you go. That was a perfect shift. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so damn proud of my man. Yeah. Screw that rock. Was there like professional rock kicking? Cause, oh yeah. Dude, I'm really good at this. I think I need to learn how to kick rocks for a living. You know how you like tell somebody like, go kick rocks, man. Like, do people say that anymore? You know what I mean? Like telling somebody to fuck off or something. Do they go, you know what, bro? Kick rocks. I missed. Good job. Going a little quick there. Oh, yep, a little worried about that stopping. That's what I was worried about, but you know what? He saved it. Good job. Oh, that was low-key terrifying. You're good, bro. My pants are falling down. What's that?
I feel like I locked my tire.
You locked your rear tire. I watched it happen. Your rear tire just stopped completely. You did too much rear brake, but also, you know, don't go 80 miles an hour towards a curb, but
I mean, yeah.
But that's pretty good. I'm very impressed with your like panic skills. You're like, oh shit, I'm about to do something, and you actually know how to like you know how to handle yourself, you know what I mean? When you watch those videos where people screw up and do the power wheelies and run into stuff, it's because they forget you can just pull on your clutch. Clutch, exactly. But how do you feel about shifting in the second? It's pretty good, right?
If I had more room.
More room. What about, how do you feel trying to get up to second, going down like kind of where those cars are, maybe turning back around and coming through?
Like on I can go on this little road.
Yeah, or even that. Exactly. There's nobody here. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm in shorts because I don't have to go far. Don't yell at me. Oh my god, it is so cold. Oh my goodness. Why did I do this to myself? Anyway, today is day 2. Hopefully at the end of this day, Harley is riding this bad chick you home. I'm really hoping so. But first, before we continue on, we need to bang. We need to bang bad. Yeah, I actually already just touched my fucking leg on the pipes. You know, of course it didn't have any good flavors. Show that in my pocket. I can't believe people literally ride around like this without any pants on. I mean, feel like an absolute fool. Like, how do people really do this? I feel like a damn squid. I feel like I'm just being laughed at everywhere I'm at. Because in all reality, it's also really cold outside. So not only do I look like a jackass for riding on a motorcycle with shorts on, but it's also like 50, 60 degrees. I'm also getting hypothermics. So what we did was we went ahead and flipped these mirrors here. Boom, boom. As you can see, the words are now upside down, so we are legit. We went ahead and took off those reflectors that come on it on the side of the forks there. Oh my god. I was so cold. Oh my god, please. I need a jacket. Yeah, where's this honky at? Yo, where's this honky at? He's gonna be like, hey, teach me how to ride a bike. I'll meet you over there. And he ain't even here. I've realized this is a common problem with my life. I don't know why. But anyway, we got our bang. Well, I'm gonna call this fool, figure out where he's at, so we can, you know, get on with buying our hookers and cocaine.
Oh, what you doing?
Where you at, honky? You trying to ride motorcycles or what?
I'm coming over. I got some breakfast.
Oh, motherfucking. Okay, see you soon. Bad words are sad words. Give your dad a hug words. Talk to your grandma later about all the things she's done words. Yeah. You know what I mean? Oh, and we got the dank-ass phone mount.
Right.
You got the dank-ass phone mount. Dank. Do you believe in life after love?
No.
Oh, okay. Like 5 times or something? And then do your up to second and third, downshifting, going around corners and shit? Oh, shit. Okay. All right. Oh, dude. Actually, I don't want to do that. I'm just kidding. He's got the gloves now with the Pumas. Oh, man. We set. That is dank. Woo! Yeah! Woo! I just had an idea. Can't believe I didn't think of this. Oh, don't die. Okay, we're good. Alright. Thank God. We're gonna take homie's truck here to go get us a POV set up, bro. This is strange.
Someone's gonna think that's like fucking a jet-powered truck.
Oh, we are. Oh, it's a jet-powered truck for sure. I'll see you soon, buddy. She's pro-charged. Yeah, so we're gonna take this little Nissan Titan. Actually, what is this? It's not a Titan. We're gonna take this little Nissan here to go get my POV set up via GoPro. Oh, copyright. Alright, I can't do this anymore. That's enough. I'll see you guys in a minute.
Gloves are essential. Oh! And that is how we stop.
great. I think you're actually like already ready for the road, to be honest.
I turned it in fucking fifth when I got out of Harley.
Yeah?
I turned around in Harley.
Don't touch my truck.